Information about timber market in Niger. Some general information about the timber industry in the country based on data available up to my knowledge, cut-off date of September 2021. Niger is a landlocked country in West Africa with a significant portion of its land covered by forests. The forestry sector is an important contributor to the country's economy, providing employment opportunities and generating revenue through timber exports. The main species of timber found in Niger include acacia, Adansonia, Kea, Pterocarpus, and Terminalia. These species are used for various purposes such as construction, furniture making, and fuel wood. According to a report by the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, Niger's total forest area was estimated to be around 6.5 million hectares in 2020. However, the forest cover has been declining due to factors such as agricultural expansion, urbanization, and illegal logging. In recent years, the Nigerian government has implemented measures to promote sustainable forest management and combat illegal logging. For example, it has established community forest management programs and implemented a ban on the export of unprocessed timber in 2014. Overall, while the timber industry in Niger faces challenges related to deforestation and illegal logging, it remains an important sector for the country's economy and livelihoods of local communities.